In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to set YouTube dark mode for Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome. So click on it. You can also use the search bar here, search for Google Chrome, and the moment you've seen the best match, click on open to continue. So the moment you have opened the Google Chrome, please wait until it will be ready first before we continue. Once set, please use the search bar and type for YouTube. Then click on the enter key in your keyboard and wait until you'd be able to see a list of results. So here in this new window, please proceed to the YouTube. Click on this link so that you can be navigated to the YouTube itself. And the moment you click on it, you would be navigated or you will be redirected to the YouTube. So please wait until it be set first or it will be ready first before we continue. So as you can see, my current default mode is light mode. And in order to change this one into dark mode, all you need to do is you need to navigate here at this upper side or this upper right side of the screen. You can see your user icon. Click on that one. Once you click on it, a right pane would be appeared. All you need to do is you need to proceed here at the appearance where you can see it is being set into light. So click on that one. Once you click on it, you will be able to see the setting where you can apply to your YouTube only. So by that, please proceed to dark theme. And in a few seconds or in a few moments, you would be able to set YouTube dark mode for your Windows 11 PC or laptop here. So by that, you just have successfully set the YouTube dark mode or the dark theme here in your Windows 11. So here you can now continue browsing or you can continue watching videos here at the YouTube in dark theme or in dark mode. So just have to wait until it would be set for you and you can now continue on using this YouTube here in your Windows 11. Okay, now that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.